This tutorial reviews the administration directory of the Living Younger Lifestyle Medicine System. From the Living Younger Home directory, click Administration. Beneath the Administration header are navigation buttons to move to other subdirectories. Optionally, you can click the Living Younger logo in the top left to return to the Living Younger Home directory. You received a hard copy of the software user manual. The digital version is also integrated into this system and is accessible at any time from the administration directory. When you open it, you'll navigate and search using the navigation panel on the left. In addition, the Living Younger software user manual is integrated throughout various documents and forms. So whenever you see the little blue ball with the eye in it, see in the top left here, by clicking on it, it'll take you to the context-specific location in the user manual to give you directions and instructions for the section that you're looking at throughout. The video tutorials are YouTube videos that'll give you instructions on how to use the Living Younger Lifestyle Medicine System. We recommend that you view the videos in the left-hand column first, before moving to the patient records column in the middle, and finally the other column to the far right. When you are in a subdirectory, such as this one, the Living Younger Video Tutorials subdirectory of the administration directory, clicking the button in the top right will return you to the home page of administration directory versus the Living Younger logo, which returns you to the Living Younger system homepage. The 4 buttons on the left here are for you to enter information about you and your business that'll auto-populate various documents through the system so that you don't have to re-enter it over and over. 3 of these are in a PDF format and have certain requirements. The first 2 are to provide information into the patient chart. You'll simply fill in the information that's requested for each of these 3 documents here. And when you're finished, this data needs to be converted into an FDF data form for final use. If you are currently a user of the Adobe Acrobat Reader DC application, you'll need to email this form back to Living Younger, where we will do the conversion for you rapidly and immediately return it. To do so, you'll click the Mail envelope icon in the top right, which will attach this document to an email to send to us. On the other hand, if you're a user of the Adobe Acrobat Pro DC application, you can complete the process yourself if you like by following the directions in the software user manual. Click Directions, and the instructions here will walk you through the very simple step. On the other hand, if you just want some help, you can click the Want Help tab and it'll email us to let us know you'd like some assistance. The third document looks like the first one in that you're going to enter some similar information. However, this particular document here will provide information to auto-populate patient education materials such as patient manuals, booklets, etc. The last button here is to provide information that'll go into contracts, service contracts, such as a consultation contract or a retainer contract, all of which will be reviewed with you in subsequent tutorials. When you open this document, it's actually a Word document that you'll put your business information into one time and just simply close and save when you're finished. It's not anything that needs to be converted into an FDF data form. In subsequent tutorials, when we review business, patient, clinical management, etc., you'll see how this information will auto-populate into your other documents.